Today at around 4 a.m. at Congo area within Kawangware, that is Nairobi County, following some information or some intelligence, we raided a premises believed to be a distillery of an illicit brew, chang'aa. So tactically we entered the house or the premises and found a brewing ongoing, whereby we managed to see of 50 distillery points ongoing, and upon further moving around that premises, we noted that there was a very huge consignment of kangara of around 480,000 drums, 480 drums, each of 200 liters. We also had molasses packed in the 50 kgs, around 350 sacks. We had also other accessories used for the manufacture. That's brown sugar from Malawi. We also had exhibits over 1,000 liters of chang'aa, which were already manufactured, ready for transport. So at that area, we also managed to arrest 3 ladies believed to be the engineers or the persons believed to be the ones conducting the exercise, together with their men used for the purposes of manufacturing or to assist in the process.